Hi everybody, Mrs. Breidenbaugh here, and I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about weight today. And in the last couple of math lessons, you have learned to compare objects. And you've learned to compare them based on their height, which is how tall something is, and their length, which is how long an object is. So today we're going to compare objects by weight. And I want you to think about different ways that we can weigh things. So I know upstairs in my bathroom, Mr. Breidenbaugh and the boys and I keep this. This is our handy dandy scale. It tells us how much our bodies weigh. There is another way that you can actually compare two objects. And comparing two objects, we're going to use what is called a balance scale. A balance scale has two little buckets, if you see here. This one and the one on the other side. When I have it leveled out here in the middle, there is a little line right here. When that is pointing straight down, that means that the buckets are equal. When one of them goes down, the heavier object is in the side that goes down. So we're going to compare a couple things here. We're going to start with a pair of scissors. So I have a pair of football scissors here, and I'm going to put them in one bucket. And obviously, the scissors are heavier than nothing. There's nothing in this bucket right here, so it goes up. And the scissors are heavier than nothing. Let's see what you guys think. Do you think that the scissors are heavier or lighter than this pencil? So remember that the heavier object stays down. Yeah, the scissors were a heavier object. Let's try to find something that might weigh more than those scissors. I have one of the boys' juice boxes here and it's full. So I'm going to stick that in this bucket and we're going to see which one's heavier now. So check this out. The juice box made this side go down, which means this side is heavier than this side. So the juice box is heavier than the scissors. I have something else here. I ransacked the boys' toys here. So I have a little Lego guy. I'm going to stick him in this side. And then we're going to see if the little Lego guy is heavier or lighter than our Transformer Optimus Prime. Look at that. Optimus Prime went down, and that means that he is the heavier object. So Optimus Prime, the Transformer, is heavier than the little Lego man. A few more items here, and I'm going to let you guess. So if you take a look, I have a green Matchbox car here, and we're going to stick that in there. And then I want you to take a look. A green Matchbox car. If you take a look, these are about the same size, correct? This is a little thing of hand sanitizer, and this is our green Matchbox car. Comparing them in my hands, it's really hard to tell. So we have the green Matchbox car. Which one do you think will go lower here? Let's try it out. Oh, that one's a tough one. They're pretty close, but this side with the hand sanitizer is slightly lower than this side with the green Matchbox car. So that means that the hand sanitizer is heavier than the Matchbox car. And the last couple things here, I have a banana, a pretty green banana actually. So I'm gonna put the banana here in this bucket if it'll stay. Ooh, that banana's pretty heavy, what do you think? And then I have a cell phone here. This cell phone, what do you think? Ooh, both might be heavy objects. Oh my goodness, look at what happened. The banana and the cell phone have me even. That means they are the exact same weight. So friends, let's just conclude here our lesson. There are ways that you can compare objects. We can compare how tall they are, how long they are. We can also compare using a balance scale which one's heavier or lighter. Sometimes it can be kind of tricky to put two things in your hands and decide which ones are heavier and which ones are lighter. So we use a scale to compare. and be a little bit more accurate. Thanks for joining me, friends. I have a game for you listed on the classroom that you could play with your family at home. All right, see you later.